Last week was very volatile. The support at 15,700 mentioned last week is holding very well. 16,060 and 16,380 were the two important resistances that we have set in the last week. Out of the two, 16,060 was broken, but Nifty failed to break above 16,380 decisively. A high of 16,399 was made during the week, and Nifty has come down sharply from there. However, the index has managed to sustain above 15,700 and it has seen a sharp rise on Friday. Broadly, 15,700 to 16,400 looks to be the range of trade as of now. Now, let's look at the chart and see the important levels for the coming week. Nifty has been range bound between 15,730 and 16,400 in the last 2 weeks. There is a support at 15,700 also. So we can consider 15,700 and 16,400 as the trading range. On the weekly candles, the trendline resistance is coming up at 16,400. But on the daily chart, the same trend resistance is coming slightly higher. The blue line on the chart you are seeing is coming up at 16,680. The 21-day moving average, the green line on the chart, is coming up at 16,554. So if Nifty breaks the range above 16,400, the important resistances to watch are 16,554 and 16,680. From a bigger picture, as long as the Nifty trades below 16,680, the broader bias is negative. So we expect it to break below 15,700 and fall to 15,530 initially, the 21-month moving average, the green line on the chart, and then to 15,135 thereafter. This 15,135 is the trendline support blue line that you see on the chart. 15,135 the support for the month of May, and the same trendline support for June is coming up at 14,885. So we stick to our broader bearish view of seeing a fall to 15,100, 15,000 in the coming weeks. Whether this fall will happen from 16,400 itself or after an extended rise to 16,550, 16,680 is not very clear at the moment. Niftybank has been ranged between 33,000 and 34,800 over the last 2 weeks. A trendline resistance is coming up near 34,800 on the weekly chart. On the daily chart, the 21-day moving average, the green line, and a trendline resistance, the blue line, are coming up around 35,000. If 35,000 is broken, then we can get a rise to 36,000. But the preference is to stay below 35,000 and see a break below 33,000 in the coming days. Immediate support below 33,000 is at 32,628, which is the 100-week moving average, the red line on the chart. A break and a close below it will trigger a deeper fall to 31,840, that is the blue line on the chart. To sum up, 15,700 to 16,400 will be the trading range for this week also. Within this range, we remain bearish and we expect Nifty to break below 15,700 and fall to 15,530 first and then to 15,135 eventually. However, this fall can happen with a lag also. If Nifty manages to break above 16,400, then we can see a short-lived rise to 16,650 or 16,680 and then a fall can happen. Bank Nifty has a strong resistance at 35,000. We expect the index to remain below this resistance. Eventually, we can expect the Bank Nifty to break below 33,000 and fall to 32,628 and 31,840 eventually in the coming weeks. Please note that the outlook given in this video is based on technical analysis. These are not strictly trade recommendations. If you want to trade this view, please read the Index Outlook article published in our portfolio section in the Business Line website. The link of the article is given below in the description. If you have any questions on F&O, please write to derivatives@thehindu.co.in. To know the outlook on specific stocks that you are holding and get advice on whether to book profit or hold it or buy more, write to techtrail@thehindu.co.in. For any queries on mutual funds, email to mf@thehindu.co.in. For any questions, clarifications on investments, personal finance, write to blportfolio@thehindu.co.in. To get more insights on investments, personal finance, stocks and commodity picks for short and long term based on technical analysis as well as F&O strategies, subscribe to BL Portfolio section from the link that you see on your screen.